Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Egg pancake is one of the breakfasts I often cook. It's nutritious, delicious, and time-saving. Add eggs, chopped green onions, and other vegetables you like. Or dice ham to the flour paste. Then fry in a pan and it's done. Today's recipe is egg pancakes with grated carrots. Let's get started. Prepare 20 grams of green onion, finely chopped. Get 20 grams of grated carrot, then finely chopped with a knife. Ingredients and seasoning also included 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, 200 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add water to the flour, stirring as you go. This step is very crucial. The flour must be completely dissolved in the water without lumps. Then add grated carrots, chopped green onions, eggs, salt. Mix well. Put the pot on a low heat. Drizzle some oil, about 1 teaspoon. Scoop up a spoonful of flour paste. Pan frying. One side is cooked. Turn over to the other side until cooked through. Transfer to a plate. Do the same with the rest of flour paste. Soft, nice egg pancakes are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.